Hey, this is Knit and Crochet Together, and I'm Eve, and I have my 3 ribs here, and I'm going to bind off this ribbed dishcloth. I have a couple other videos that go with this. If you push the little eye in the right hand corner with a circle around it, you should be able to find the other videos that go with this video. And so we're binding off the end of this ribbed dishcloth. So I just put my needle into both strands, the pink and the green, and knit. And then I put my needle into to knit the next stitch with the pink and the green in it. Then I take the first 2 strands, pink and green, over the second 2 strands of pink and green. Now I knit my next stitch. This is called binding off. You're basically just taking the knitted project off of your knitting needles. Now I slipped off my needles, so I'm going to put it back on. So I want pink and green to be binded off properly. So I'm knitting the pink and the green, and then I'm knitting another pink and green stitch and taking the first pink and green over the second pink and green. Keep going along that way. I knitted another stitch. I'm taking the first pink and green stitch over the second pink and green stitch. Knit the next stitch. Second pink and green stitch over the first pink and green stitch. Just keep going in that manner till you go to the end of the row, making sure to catch both strands of each stitch. So I'm taking it off the needles. See? Okay, my channel is Knit and Crochet Together. That's KNITANDCROCHETTOGETHER. One word. That's the name of my channel. If you push the button on the right hand side at the bottom of this video that says subscribe, you'll be able to find all my videos easier. Or like I said before, push the little eye at the top right hand corner, and all the videos on this particular project will be linked together in the eye. That's called cards. They call that cards. I guess it's pretty cool because all the projects can be linked together, each one at a time, so you can find video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5, whatever, how many videos you have in order to make this project, and they don't just get lost in space and jumbled all around into the web, World Wide Web. So I'm getting to the end of this row. And this is getting completely off the knitting needles, just like that. Still going to finish the rest of this row. And I'm almost done with the row. 2 more stitches to go. 1 more stitch to go. Done. I'm going to pull this out at the end. Put my ball through that loop. Make sure it's evenly tied down. Like that. Cut it off. Where's my... Oh, I can't find my scissors. Cut it off. About that long, and tie it together. I like to use a crochet hook if I have one to pull these strands through. Pull 1 green or 1 pink through and tie it. Maybe tie it twice on both sides. I'm going to pull one strand through, the pink or the green, tie it twice, and there. Now you've got your ribbed, oops, goes this way. So the 3 ribs on the outside. Your ribbed dishcloth. And I got the pink and light pink and the green and the light green. And with that ball that I had, I could make, I don't know, 5, 6 of those. I wanted to have all different days of the week. Throw it in the wash when it gets dirty. Hang it over the faucet to dry so it doesn't get stinky. And you can do your dishes with a beautiful ribbed dishcloth. One more thing you can make with knitting or crocheting. You don't have to go to the stores often. Just make it there at your home. Thank you.